Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Seat Ibiza 1.9 TDI. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. It's located right there. In order to get access to the serpentine belt, first we need to remove this air intake hose, and also we need to put the fuel filter to the side without disconnecting any fuel lines. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the fuel filter and also the air intake hose put to the side, so now we have access to the serpentine belt, and that's the serpentine belt tensioner right there. This is the wrench that I'm going to use. It's a size 16 long wrench. I'm also getting a pin that I'm going to put through the two holes on the tensioner so that I can lock the tensioner in place and while the belt is loose, and this way I can remove the belt without having to hold the tensioner. In order to get the belt loose, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise, and now we're going to put the pin in, and the tensioner will stay in one place, and then we can remove the belt. Now that the belt is removed from the pulleys, we need to take it out, but it might be much easier if we do it from the bottom. So to do it from the bottom, first we need to remove the engine under tray. Now that the engine under tray is removed, we have access to the serpentine belt, and we can just pull it out. That's the serpentine belt removed. Now next I'm going to show you the pin that I've put through the two holes on the tensioner to hold it in place. You can see it's right there. There's a hole on that side of the tensioner and on the other side, and it's just holding it in place, and that's how the belt is loose. Next I'll show you a diagram of the belt routing. That's how the belt is routing around the pulleys, and next we're going to put on the new belt. This is the new belt that I'm going to be using. First I'm going to put the belt from the bottom of the car to put it around the crankshaft pulley, and then I'm going to go on top of the car and put it around the rest of the pulleys. Now I'm going to put the belt around the tensioner and also the alternator, but before I'm able to put it on around all of them pulleys, I'm going to turn the tensioner a little bit more, because the new belt is not that stretched, so we might need a little bit more to turn it. The pin might not be doing its job very well, because you might need to move the tensioner a little bit more. And now that after we put it around all the pulleys, then we can remove the pin on the tensioner. Here it is, the belt is around all the pulleys, just like in the diagram. I'll show you a closer view, and the pin is removed. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.